Good afternoon, folks. I'm Doug with Sewell Motor Coach here in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. And I have what may be the best looking Tiffin Allegro Bay on the planet. I can't wait to dig in and show you this one. Let's not wait any longer. Let's get going. Because today in front of you, you're looking at a 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bay. This is the 38 AB, Apple Boy AB floor plan. This is a triple slide, high-end luxury Super C built on the S2 RV chassis. And it is a driver, folks. I just got done finished driving this, test drove it up the highway and back, had it washed, brought it over here to my favorite spot so I could present you this coach, and I am super impressed with it. I hope you are too. Let's get going on this video. I'm going to take you through a full tour of this coach, showing you the inside and the outside, and explain to you along the way why you should consider this as your next Super C motorhome. And we optioned this coach with the white mahogany full body paint, and I went ahead and did the blackout wheel package. Folks, I am so glad I did on this lighter color. I think it makes the wheels pop and really just has a really nice, elegant but aggressive look to it. So it's a mixture of both. It's traditional colors from Tiffin with a newer paint design, kind of a a forward paint design, kind of a more modern paint design with the black wheels. It really stands out, and so again, some of the colors give it some of that classic Tiffin feel. And when we get inside this coach, I think you're going to see the way I ordered it on the inside. I really like too. I mean, naturally I should like it, right? Because I ordered it and custom spec'd it. So the S2 RV chassis is built by Freightliner custom chassis. This has the 360 horsepower B-Series Cummins engine, and it does have the 6-speed Allison transmission with a 12,000 pound towing capacity. I think this coach just really serves a really good purpose in the RV industry. It's very flexible in its use and capability. We're going to touch on that when we get inside on the floor plan. But furthermore, on the outside, it could be a couples coach, it could be a family coach. It can tow a race trailer. It can do a lot of things that you want to do, and it is extremely comfortable. And the 2026, I don't know if they did something different versus the last unit that I drove. The last one I drove was a 2023 or maybe a 24. I don't know what it is about this one. It drives so good. One of the things I love about Super Cs is also storage capability. This coach is going to have a really good storage capability, and this does have the 8,000 quiet diesel generator as well. Now, on all of our units that we order on the Allegro Bays, we go ahead and option in the AquaHot 250D system. This is an all-electric coach. There's multiple reasons that I do that, one of which because it's hydronic heating, no propane anywhere. The second reason is because it's no propane anywhere, and it saves you that bay space. You don't have to worry about adding that propane tank. Power cord reel on all of our builds, and Tiffin has always had one of the best looking wet bays, easy to use, easy to understand, easy to operate. Now let's go ahead and fire the engine up right here. Pop around on the other side, jump inside this one, go ahead and put those slides out. And I almost forgot that we should show it to you with the slide rooms on the in position, because in a Super C, and even with giant opposing slides, this is still one of the best motorhomes that you can use with the slide rooms on the in position. So if you're out traveling around and you stop at a truck stop overnight or a Cracker Barrel or wherever it is, just the side of the road at a rest stop, whatever it may be, you don't even have to put your slides out in order to use most of the functions of this coach. Yes, you could put that bed down, sleep on it. The king size bed does not have to articulate in order to put the slide rooms out or in. You can sleep on the bed. You're not going to be able to use this sofa as a bed, but you can sit on the theater seats. You can sit on the sofa, so you're going to be very comfortable. And yes, stopping on the side of the road, you cannot sleep up here. It's not safe to be up here when the vehicle is in transport. You need to be seated in one of the other seats with seat belts or whatever the law requires. But you can move throughout this entire coach. Full access to your galley. Again, lots of seating, full access into your refrigerator. Because it's a midship split bath, full access into there. And then again, as I mentioned, you can full access to your king size bed. Lay here and watch TV. Do whatever it is you want to do with the slide rooms in. First slide we'll grab right here. We're going to go ahead and hit extend. One cool thing about all motorhomes built by Tiffin now, with the exception of the Wayfarer, they're all built with hydraulic slide outs. Even with just one slide out, this is plenty of room. They didn't even have to put a slide on this side, but when we open this slide up, you're gonna see this thing opens up massive inside. Go to this touch panel here. We're gonna go to extend. As you can see, again, hydraulic slides everywhere. And folks, that is a game changer. Tiffin's primarily always done hydraulic slides on the front two slides. Then for several years, they got to doing the Schwintek slides on the rear of the coach. So used to be the bedroom slide would be a Schwintek, but now watch this slide here. That is one fast booger right there. And we do have a little bit of a drop down into the cab. Actually pretty easy to do. I love that this little platform here gives you ability to kind of support yourself as you're going in and out of the cab. I found it a little bit easier just to get out of the front door and walk around, but it's absolutely no problem for me to jump down in that seat. No issue whatsoever. Both front captain's chairs are air ride. So both front captains, the co-pilot and the pilot, have air ride seats. So it's going to help with that truck chassis suspension. Going to make it feel more like an air ride coach. And the new Freightliner chassis is spectacular. One thing I love about this unit is it does have the little Garmin head unit. That pulls off so the driver or the passenger can grab it, pull it off, and change settings, change the Garmin address, change the radio, anything you want to do. So one thing to show you up here is this does have HWH computerized hydraulic leveling. But I know you came to see the interior of this beautiful 38 AB, and it does not disappoint, folks. This coach is going to have easy sleeping for 6 people. Actually, I take that back. This particular floor plan, the way I optioned it, has sleeping for 8. So you got 2 in the king size bed, 2 in the sofa bed here, 2 in that dinette that does convert into a bed, and then you're going to have the ability to put 2 people over the cab here. So this literally will sleep everybody. And for the paying customers, they get to sit in the comfort and enjoyment of a power theater seat. I think that's huge and very important. But this floor plan has one of the widest open floor plans I've ever seen. Look how many tile wide this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles wide. That is literally 7. I'm sorry, I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, hold on. Do I know how to count? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet wide in here, plus the slide out. So you're talking about 3.5, 4 more feet on that side, another 2.5 feet on this side. This coach is like 11 or 12 feet wide inside with furniture, windows, and everything. I think that is tremendous. So if you wanted to sleep more people in here, it would not be an issue to change or to put an air mattress in here. Furthermore, if you didn't need the sofa, you could go back to Tiffin, go to Red Bay, and get one of the ancillary services to build you a credenza cabinet if you wanted to do that in here as well. But just across from your theater seats is going to be a LG smart television with a soundbar mounted above. Beautiful galley in here with solid surface Corian countertops. As I've told you in many other videos, Tiffin builds every part of their own cabinetry. This is all natural alder wood, and they buy literally the rough cut lumber from Oregon, ship it in, plane it, do all the things, glue it, put it together. They make all their own doors, drawers, cabinetry, and bases. As I mentioned outside, this is an all-electric unit, so no propane anywhere on the coach, and we do have an LG convection microwave oven with air fryer. We did option in the dishwasher in this particular unit as well, and we do have a stationary dual compartment stainless steel under countertop mounted sink with beautiful backsplash. And a modern Tiffin wouldn't be complete without a kitchen window. Across from the galley is going to be a residential LG refrigerator that works off your inverter while you're driving down the road. And as I've already mentioned, we do have the booth dinette that does convert into a bed. Tiffin definitely does not disappoint when it comes to the design. We did option in the sandstone cabinets in this coach with that beautiful custom-made ceiling tray. That is a custom CNC routed ceiling tray. I watched them make these on a CNC router at Tiffin when I did the factory tour, and it was absolutely impressive. And yes, that is custom backlighting or accent lighting in at night, because I've used this coach. Well, I've used a coach just like this before That little piece of accent lighting provides some of the best lighting when you're watching a movie at night. And then also you're going to find throughout this coach, from the large pantry to the storage, drawers, and cabinetry, everywhere you're going to find storage underneath the booth, in the galley, just storage, drawers, and cabinetry everywhere you look. Coming to the center of the coach, you're going to find a one-piece molded fiberglass shower here. We do have a pocket door. I take that back. This is not a 32 SA. So we do have ways to close this coach off. This door is going to double as a door that blocks off the galley and the rest of the kitchen area. And then there'll be another pocket door that's going to close off the bedroom in case you have somebody that wants to sleep in bed and use the restroom, take a shower, do whatever it is you need to do. Let's make our way into the ensuite, where we have a king-size bed and windows everywhere, folks. That, to me, is a game changer, a huge thing. I absolutely love windows in a coach. We do have the rear-facing window in this coach, the rear headboard window, and then we also have a window on each side of the bed, and then more storage, drawers, and cabinetry. Just across from that is going to be a washer and dryer in behind these two doors here, and that is the new style Splendide washer and dryer. Storage, drawers, and cabinetry below. Nice little wardrobe. Storage next to the TV, and then just push to open this one right here. You're going to find more storage back there. Let's go ahead and check out that bathroom here. The same continuation of that porcelain floor tile with a porcelain under countertop mounted sink, window, and of course, every bathroom needs a vent with a fan. Oh, do you see why the 38 AB, I went heavy on these? Again, as I mentioned in another video, we have 2 of these in stock at this moment, when this video is being filmed, and I have 2 more on the way. So that is 4 total 38 AB floor plans. That's what I think about this floor plan. That's why I think this is the best-selling floor plan. And the 34 DB, I think, in terms of orders from Tiffin, are number 1. But I think there's less 38 ABs available in the market, which tells me they're probably just selling a little bit better. The other unit we have that's in stock now is that Fire Opal Generation 2. I think Generation 2 Fire Opal with the blackout wheel package. And then I have 2 more Fire Opal 2027 models that are coming in that have the aluminum wheel package. So if you don't like the black wheels on the Fire Opal that we have, or the black wheel package on this coach, don't worry, we have 2 more units coming in that are 2027s. Now, they're a little bit more money, but they're also 2027s. And I may have failed to mention that I really like the lighting above the cab here. We do have a separate television. That is an added feature. And we have the little cover here. Also, we have the Tiffin front mat that is custom laser cut for the front here. Also, we have the shades up there for the front windows. And then that is a 4000 series window for the front cab with the foil on the outside. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a lot of inventory, so I can't do 45-minute videos on everything, but I do want you to know, if you're watching this video and you've never watched any of the ending of one of our videos, folks, we are a different type of dealer. I'm going to give you the really quick rundown of how we operate and what we do. First and foremost, we're different. This is a brand new Tiffin motorhome. I think we're one of the most highly rated Tiffin dealers in the country. The way we operate is totally different than just about any other dealer. Transparent pricing. Transparent trade-ins, actual cash value on your trade-in. You deal directly with ownership. I understand the lifestyle. I understand what it is you're getting ready to go out and deal with. I understand the excitement. I understand the ups and downs of this business. I understand the ups and downs of the lifestyle that you're getting ready to go live. So I come from a place, our whole business comes from a place of understanding what you're going to get ready to go through. You're dealing with a small business, one that cares about our reputation and the way we operate. So we have a different philosophy and a different mentality. I will tell you this, any dealer that you're getting ready to do a multiple $100,000s of dollars of transactions with, please go to Google, type in Sewell Motor Coach, see what others are saying about us. Also jump on any of the Tiffin groups and just ask, Sewell Motor Coach, what are your thoughts? Ask the other people that have done business with us. I have dozens, if not hundreds of customers on the Tiffin Facebook group, and any dealer that you're getting ready to do business with, just ask about that dealer, see what other people are going to say about them. It's huge and important. One of the biggest decisions you're getting ready to make should be that you pick the right coach at the right price at the right time, but you should also be very careful the dealer you choose. The dealer can make or break your experience because this is a lifestyle, folks. Remember, you're getting ready to go out and live a new lifestyle. All this is a really nice, pretty tool for you to go out and live that lifestyle. And we want to be your partner with that here at Soul Motor Coach. We understand, again, what you're getting ready to go through. I've done it myself. My entire crew here understands what you're getting ready to go through because I've literally trained every one of them myself to make sure they know how to interact and deal with customers just like you. So we have all the same banks that other dealers have, the same interest rates, the same terms, and in a lot of cases we get better interest rates. We love trade-ins. Our paperwork is clean. Our finance department is awesome. Our titling department can title in all 50 states, and we would love to do business with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you decide to reach out to us on one of these beautiful Tiffin Allegro Bays, Byways, Allegro Reds, Tiffin Phaetons, Allegro Bus. We have them all here in stock. Folks, there's really not any single dealer in this country that has a bigger inventory of Tiffin motorhomes than we do right now here in small town Kentucky. We think you're going to appreciate that. And please reach out to us if there's a deal that we can put together for you on one of these beautiful Tiffin Allegro Bays. Please give us a call, talk to us. Let us talk you through the process. If you're unsure of what it is you're looking for, give us a call, talk to us. Let us help you. Call and talk to me. Call and ask for me. I would love to talk to you about your motorhome purchase, exactly what it is that you're looking for. Let me help guide you through this process, and let me help you buy your second or third motorhome first so you don't have to go trading in and lose a bunch of money. We want you to go out and live this lifestyle and certainly enjoy that new lifestyle. From all of us here at Soul Motor Coach, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and we certainly hope to talk with you soon. And certainly enjoy that new lifestyle. From all of us here at Soul Motor Coach, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and we certainly hope to talk with you soon.